Here I've got SPIPHONE A10 Pro, and let me show you all the secret codes for the following device. So at first you have to open the phone dialer, go to keypad, and let's start with the first code, which is *##, 4636 #*#. And here you've got the testing mode where you can check phone information, and you've got email number, phone number. Here you can run a ping test, and here you've got the result. You can also check network type, GSM service, call redirect, and all the others. You can turn off radio, you can turn off voltage, and you can use all the features included there. Then you can go to battery information, where you will find battery status, power plug, battery level, scale, health, voltage, temperature, technology, and also time since boot. Let me go back. You've got also usage statistics, so here you have detailed information regarding usage of your applications. And finally Wi-Fi information, where you will find Wi-Fi APA. Here we've got disable network, disconnect networks, enable network, configured networks, and also connection info. In Wi-Fi configuration you will be able to notice all configured networks. As you can see, we have not even one now. And then Wi-Fi status, you can refresh it. And here you will find the solution. You will see the status of your Wi-Fi, and also you can run a ping test here. Let's go back and let's go to the second code, which is *## 759 #*#. And now we are in debug menu, where you can check brand code, unique device ID, you can check pings, events, and also view client IDs. So let me go back. And the third code is *##, 426 #*#. And we are in Google Play Services. Here you can check ping, connect, disconnect, and also events. So very important and advanced info. Then let's go to another code, which is *##, 225, and it's 5 #*#. And as you can see here, you've got the calendar info. If you will have your Google account connected with this device, you will be able to check all the events, all the celebrations, and important data included here. So just one code, one place, and all events in here. You will not forget about any of them, definitely. And last but not least code is *##, 06 #. And as you can see, this one will provide you with both email numbers dedicated to both SIM cards included in your device. And that would be all. These are all secret codes for your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.